What's up guys, today it will be the video about the new exchange which is called DueDEX. This is the sponsored video. You know, recently I've started to work with several projects working in the infrastructure field around cryptocurrencies, and this is the one of those exchanges which are trying to get the share from the market of derivatives like BitMEX is doing. So they're trying to introduce their service in the field of the leverage trading of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, of course. And I think this is one of the very interesting options to try out because they are really pushing it to the extreme, trying to get this share by introducing some lower fees, some appealing affiliate programs, and so on and so forth. I will tell you about the details in this video. Okay, so what they are basically doing, they are providing the leverage up to 100x perpetual swaps. And in principle, they are doing very high throughput, over 100,000 TPS, and they are proposing the improvement of this up to 1 million TPS, and you see the low latency of less than 10 milliseconds, so there is no downtime and no overloads even during high traffic spikes. Of course, this is very important when you have some active trading periods and sometimes your orders cannot be changed or something like that, so their platform promises to get rid of this problem. And also they say that they have this non-stop maintenance, which means that the upgrades which we usually have for our exchanges will happen for DueDEX in the way that basically there is no interruption of their work. So for example, when some huge exchange stops their work because of the maintenance and the price goes one way or another in a huge percentage, then you may lose your position and so on and so forth. But with non-stop maintenance, you will not have this issue. Another thing is that all digital assets are stored in the cold wallet. So in principle, it's very safe because if the exchange will be hacked, then the actual funds will not be affected by the hack. And also you can withdraw them 3 times a day, comparing to, let's say, BitMEX, it's just 1 time a day. So this is a clear advantage if you want to have it more often. Now, they also have not only mainnet, but also testnet. It is testnet.duedex.com. So you can actually test your trading with them without risking your money and see how it works, and so on and so forth. Now I want to point out the special things about the DueDEX comparing to all other exchanges. For example, the fees. The fees are positioned to be the lowest in the industry. So you see, for example, you would have the maker fee, of course, and a taker fee. So taker fee is 0.075%, which is quite low, lower than in many with of other competitors. And for maker fee, it's actually negative, which basically means that if you do the maker order, you would have this additional percentage paid to your account as soon as you made the trade. This is super awesome. So basically, when you just have your trade executed, you immediately have a little bonus on that. So you in principle can use it for getting small profit as soon as the price didn't go that far already. So it's really neat. I don't think that I have seen anything like that in different exchanges. And for the other fees, like of course there is a funding rate like for BitMEX, but also there is no charge for deposits and withdrawals. Of course, deposits are usually for free, but withdrawals often have some fee. For DueDEX, there is no fee. Of course, you'd have to pay for the network fee, but this is the usual stuff. You can't avoid that. The same with, let's say, BitMEX. You don't need to have the KYC process. And now, when you're basically having your account just started, you will get $10 bonus. So for just signing up, you would use it for trading. You can't withdraw it immediately, but you can use it for trading. And when you will get any profits from that bonus, you will be able to withdraw it. So for example, you will just go 10x and you will get it right. You'll have $100. It's already something from 10x. You will get $90 withdrawal and so on and so forth. So at least for trading, for test your luck, you can try that. Also, of course, if you want to trade with a bigger fund, like you will add 0.2 Bitcoin, you would get $50 bonus for trading, and I would say that probably I will announce some more on that regard. We will run some campaign. You will get the same bonus, I think, with the 0.1 BTC potentially, so please follow the updates on that. And for those who will use my affiliate link, they will get 50 for 0.1 and $100 for 0.2, so you'll get doubled your first time deposit bonus if you'd like to use it for like actual trading with a big amounts of money. But that is not only it. There is another thing, which is affiliate links. So usually when you have the affiliate link, it has the like one level. So if those who get your affiliate link transfer some of their fees to you when they trade, so you'll get a little bonus from them. For DueDEX, it's actually two-level structure. So you'd have the first level of your affiliates paying you 30% of their commission fees, and those who actually are affiliates of your affiliates will pay 10% to you as well. So this is really powerful as soon as you try to maximize your bonuses. So it's not only like profitable, but also a huge incentive for spreading the awareness, and more people will try to jump on this train. So that is why I think there is a nice potential for this exchange to get more and more traction. So regarding the trading itself, I would say that with my experience, which I have with this platform, this is rather positive. I mean, a lot of them are having quite slow interface, but for this one it's actually surprisingly fast, and the interface is pretty clean. So you have Bitcoin to dollar, and they actually plan to add more coins eventually, so you can trade probably Ether and other altcoins, but right now you can trade Bitcoin. And what you do is basically you have your long or short contract, so you can buy the long contract for the certain price. So let's say you'd want to buy something at $7,000 and you enter $1,000 as the quantity. You're going long or you're selling short, and that would define your position. When it's over, it appears in the position, so you can also have active order stops and order history and so on, and like for the usual interface. And also you can choose between the cross leverage or some certain leverage in order not to risk the whole of your capital. So the standard tools like the limit, market orders, stop orders are available as well. So everything is pretty neat and clean. I would say it's very simplistic, but it's very nice for the beginners because you don't have anything overcomplicated here, and at the same time everything works just fine. At least for me personally, I didn't see any problems with the engine or anything else. It works just as it should. And yeah, if you remember, you have $10 bonus for the entry. So let's say you will enter $100 as your entry for $8,000 price for the going long position. So when you will go long and the price will move, let's say 10% from $8,000 to $8,800, basically you will double your $10, so you will have $20 and so on and so forth. In fact, you may go even 100x, and then at that point, if the price will move 10%, then like from 8,000 to 8,800, then you would get your $100 from your $10. So in fact, why not? Why not to try to get this quick buck even from those free bonus entry points? So go ahead and try. I think it's always fun, and maybe some of you will get that luck and maybe continue to trade and earn more eventually. But speaking about the free money, what I would have to add to that. First of all, DueDEX will run the giveaway campaign with my Twitter account. So I will have the tweet, probably I will pin it at the top when I will add my affiliate link, so you can try that. When you follow my Twitter account, when you follow DueDEX and follow the giveaway tweet instructions, you will get a chance to win $100 margin bonus. So not $10, but also $100 bonus plus. So we will just choose the winner among the applicants for this giveaway. Probably will be like 2 giveaways. So go ahead and try. Just check my Twitter. I will make this tweet at the same time as I will post this video. And another thing is that as soon as we will make this campaign running, I will also have the contest. So trading contest on DueDEX with the price of $1,000. to the winner who'll get like the best results for the trading. So, well, we will announce conditions eventually, but the point is, of course, you would need to have an account, you need to have your first deposit ready to be traded, and I also would have to have like at least 100 referrals for my affiliate link. I will put this link in the description down below, as well as all the other links regarding DueDEX. Go ahead and try it out. So as soon as we will have 100 people ready for the trade, then we will get the chance to run this contest with $1,000 prize. And moreover, guys, if we will have 500 affiliates with the same actively traded funds, then I will run another giveaway for $1,000 from my own. Again, we'll decide the conditions eventually. Just follow the Twitter, follow the Telegram, and I will keep you updated. So far, just go ahead and try the free $10 trading on DueDEX. Check the interface, check how it works. In fact, it's nice practice for those who didn't try to trade leverage. Basically, you will do it for the real money, but without any risk. And again, I feel that there are several cool features with affiliate links, with trading fees, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys, so that is it. If you have any questions or comments about the exchange, how it works, what the procedures and so on and so forth, leave the comments. I will answer all of them. I'll try at least, or I will follow those to the specialists from DueDEX. Follow their Telegram, follow their Twitter. I will leave all the links in the description. And yeah, go ahead and check it out. That is it for today. Goodbye.